Say hello. Say good morning.
Good morning, YouTube.
Say off to the auction we go.
Ready to go.
Ready to go to the auction.
Ready to
Say
go.
good morning, Jerry.
We're busy
Yeah,
action.
On the way to the auction. Ready to go see your grandma?
Yeah, I see Grandma too.
All right, we'll let you go see your grandma.
Yeah, I see Grandma.
Off to the auction we go.
Ready? Go.
Say ready,
Ready.
set, go.
Go. Hey, hey.
It's okay. They got a 2013 model box truck coming through. Sometimes they run a lot of box trucks through here. Sometimes they actually run semi trucks through here. One time I tried to buy a semi. I did. Haven't got a box truck from him, but you know, they be having fairly good deals on these box trucks. So when it goes through, I'll see how much it goes for. It is a 2013, so it's pretty expensive. But got a good group of cars out here today. Not the most, but you know, a good group. You know, objective today, it's about one, maybe two cars today if possible. But hey, if I don't buy any cars, I never get down on myself. You know, if I don't buy anything, it doesn't really hurt me. It just shifts my focus on doing something else. You know, I end up reading more, looking and doing investing, trying to find some more stocks to invest in, and you know, just a little bit of that, and a little trading. So if I don't buy nothing, it just shifts my focus, and I focus on getting money some other way. I don't just try to have the car lot as my primary business. You know, also, you know, if I don't have anything to sell, you know, I get in my box truck, I'll go move a couple things, you know, go move some stuff. You know, I always got to keep, when you're an entrepreneur, and you always got to try to bring home some money. Try to put a little money in your pocket every day. You know? And it's going. I'm gonna show you guys what I do with my box trucks. I'm gonna do a day with that one of these days. I'm gonna show you guys, you know, what I be using my box trucks for and how I make money using my box trucks. So we're gonna show you guys that one of these days. Just bear with us.
What's going on, man?
Not much. What's going on?
No, he is coming through now. Okay.
Not that big of a selection today, but you know, give you guys some other good information along with this video. You know, I can't just give you guys, you know, can't just talk to you guys, just give you guys a walk around without giving you guys some educational advice and helpful advice and information. You know, y'all know this is JJ's Cars and Advice. You know, the cars, we're gonna show you cars, we're gonna give you advice. We're just not gonna give you advice on the car business. So just keep your heads up. You know, I'll be giving you guys advice on other people's, other businesses and stuff like that, because me, I like to learn as much as I can. So, you know, I like to learn about other businesses, how to get other businesses started. I like to learn all that type of stuff. So everything I'm gonna be learning and knowing, I'll be passing on to you guys. So just stay tuned with me. Yeah, got a good selection of cars. Pretty decent selection. Not that bad today. So objective is try to get 1 to 2 cars, but if you can't, you know, always shift your focus and try to do something and try to make money some other way. If you're not having any cars to sell, but I do have cars still at my car lot that I can sell, so I'll get those cars ready. I can sell some of those. If I don't feel like doing that, then I'll figure out and work on another way to get some money. But yeah, let's get to this auction, and we're gonna give you some advice. I don't know. We'll put some advice somewhere in this video. Somewhere y'all gonna get that advice. But let's get to it. Let's see what this box truck goes for.
Are those shoes comfortable?
Brought a bid of $7,700, but it takes 12 grand to buy it. Honestly, 12 grand ain't too bad. Honestly, 12 grand ain't too bad of a price for a 2013 box truck. That's not a bad deal, 12 grand. Let's get to it. The rest of this, walk in here, introduce you to my buddy Randy. Go on here. Too good for social media at the time. But yeah, that was my buddy Randy.
Hey, tell him what you said. Ask for Migos on 29th. That's how I find it.
Look at that. Ask for Migos on 29th Street. That's how you find them. And I'm gonna do a sit down interview with him. I'm gonna also do a sit down interview with my guy Randy. Randy owns a car lot at his house. So he owns, like I said, he owns a car lot at his house. So I'll be doing an interview with him, but you're gonna have to be subscribed to my Patreon, because that's gonna be some behind the scenes information. So if you subscribe to the Patreon, I'm gonna have a video with him coming soon. Just let you guys know how he got his car lot started at his house. And then, but for right now, this Saturday coming up for my Patreons, I'm gonna be holding one-on-one.
Taking pictures of Black Lives Matter out here on camera.
But yeah, this Saturday on my Patreon, I'm gonna set up some one-on-one phone calls with the people who's already signed up to my Patreon. Like I said, it's $5 to sign up, and it's $5 a month. And then next week, I'll be giving you guys a video. I know a lot of you guys are here from Lucky's channel, but if you're not here from Lucky's channel, his channel is Lucky's Wheels and Deals. And I'll be doing a sit-down interview with him next week, probably about a little 10-minute interview, just answer them questions. And that's gonna be available exclusively on my Patreon. So the link for my Patreon to be in the description is gonna be $5 to sign up, and then $5 a month. and I'm gonna be giving you guys exclusive interviews, behind the scene interviews with a lot of these car dealers and how they journey became about and what made them start selling cars and what advice can they pass on to you. So if you haven't already, click the link in the description, that Patreon link. Go sign up. Like I said, it's only $5 to sign up, $5 a month. You're gonna get a lot of more information. So, alrighty. Found me a little truck bed to sit on. Auction still going on, as you can see over there. You know, still going on. You know, but hey, you know, let me sit here and talk with you for a little bit. People always ask, do I buy cars on red light? Yes, I buy cars on red light. I mean but I only buy cars from bigger dealerships, like, you know, like the larger franchise dealerships, like the big Toyota, Honda, Dodge and stuff, like dealerships like that. If they're not a dealership like that, I don't buy from other small lots, because like for me, as if I'm looking at like, okay, I'm a small lot myself, and if I can't sell the car, it's obviously a problem with the car. So, you know, that's why I only buy from larger, like trade-ins from larger franchise dealerships and stuff like that. So that's just me. But yes, I do buy cars on red light, because, you know, just because it's running on red light doesn't mean it's necessarily bad. I mean, sometimes it will be bad, but most of the time, if it's red light, you know, they're just the dealership just running all the cars through just so they can sell everyone, so you can't arbitrate it. You know, and also when they run it on a red light, it's because, you know, like sometimes when a large dealership runs a car on a red light, it does have an announcement with it, so it's like the transmission or something, frame damage or something while it's ran on a red light. But I do buy cars on red lights, but I buy them on a red light because I'll always check out my vehicles. And one thing I would suggest, like I always suggest, be nice to people, be nice to all the people who works here at these auctions, because they spend their whole week picking up these cars, driving them in, dealing with them, moving them around. So a lot of these people who work here, they know what's going on with these cars. So just be nice to them, and they'll let you know. Like when they're driving a car through, if you ask for like, hey, what's going on with this car, they'll let you know a lot of times, you know, as long as you're being nice to them. But if you're not being nice and respectful to people, then they won't tell you anything. If the car is bad, they might just let you buy a bad car. You never know. But that's just what you're supposed to do, just treat people with respect. But yeah, I buy cars on red light. I mean, just because it's on red light doesn't mean it's bad. Just because it's on the green light don't necessarily mean it's good. Because think about this, arbitration at most auctions, you have to spend at least $1,500. Some auctions is $2,000. So just say you're at an auction where the arbitration is $2,000. So a person can run a car on green light because, you know, they can tell the auction, hey, this car is a green light, run it on a green light. And then you thinking that it's a green light car, or the person thinking it's a green light car just because it ran on green light. But the person who sent it through the auction sent it through there on green light because they knew green light would bring the most money, but they also knew that the car wouldn't bring that much where you can arbitrate it. So say like they've sent, like, just for example, that 05 Pontiac Grand Prix yesterday that I sent to the salvage yard. Say I ran that vehicle through the auction on a green light, and the arbitration was $2,000, and it brought $1,500. Boom, I made $1,500, and then somebody's bought a car that they can't do anything with, and they can't arbitrate it. So all they can do is rerun it through the auction. So, you know, but I'll never do that. So, but I see it all the time here at these auctions, that these dealers, they'll buy one car on a red light at one auction, they'll bring it to another auction, run it here on the green light because they know it's not going to bring, like, say they'll go buy a car from one auction for $500 on red light, then bring it to the other auction, sell it here on a green light for $1,000, and the car is no good, but they know it's not going to reach the threshold of the $1,500, $2,000 marker that, you know, it's going to be for somebody to arbitrate it. So they're good, you know. So you have to be aware of that. So, you know, my advice, you know, check out all vehicles, no matter if it's green light, still check it out. Whatever light is on, still check the vehicle out, regardless. You know, just don't think just because it's on the green light it's automatically guaranteed it's a good car. Because, you know, you can get stuck with a car. It happened to me a few times. You can get stuck with a car, you know, because it didn't meet the amount to arbitrate it, so you just stuck with it. So, you know, hey, you know, so just be aware. But you know, appreciate you guys. Much love. See you guys in some more videos, and we're gonna get to it. I want to thank everybody for tuning in on this video. Appreciate all the support. Like I said, the link for my Patreon will be in the description. The link for on my Instagram will be in the description. The link for my Facebook will be in the description. So you can follow me on all those social networks. But you know, when you get subscribed to that Patreon, you're gonna start getting that exclusive behind the scenes footage. Like I said, first person I'm interviewing next week is gonna be Lucky. So you know, if you're a member of my Patreon, be watching out for that next week. And appreciate you guys. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video. Maybe this will help you. Maybe this will help one of your friends that's trying to get into business, or you know, share it with your business partner. You know, maybe this information will help you guys. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video. I'm out.